just joining, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stories. Unleash the Beast, Chapter 3. The warning. 2 mornings later, Ethan was in the hallway outside Mrs. Wren's office when he heard voices. He hadn't meant to eavesdrop. He was only dusting shelves, but the tone in Mrs. Wren's voice was sharper than he'd ever heard. "It's growing restless," she was saying. "The locks are weakening. The children must never—" Ethan froze mid-step, leaning ever so slightly toward the half-open door. Father Calder's low, steady voice answered, "You knew this day might come. Have you told them the truth?" Mrs. Wren hissed. "No. The less they know, the safer they are. Curiosity feeds it." Ethan's heart thumped hard against his ribs. The word slithered into his thoughts, wrapping itself around the memory of that whisper in the attic. Father Calder sighed. "Then you'd better make sure none of them gets near that door. If it escapes—" A floorboard betrayed him with a loud creak. Mrs. Wren's head snapped toward the doorway, her sharp eyes locking onto his. "Ethan," she said, her voice like ice, "go back downstairs." "Yes, ma'am," he muttered, retreating quickly, though every part of him wanted to stay and hear the rest. He made it halfway down the stairs before stopping, gripping the banister so tightly his knuckles whitened. His mind churned with questions. What's behind that door? Why is it dangerous? What does she mean by restless? That night, he dreamed he was back in the attic. The door was open just a crack, darkness leaking out like thick smoke. A shadow moved inside, and a voice, smooth and cold, whispered his name. When he woke, sweat clung to his skin, and the wind rattling the windows sounded almost like laughter. Thanks for listening. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more exciting stories.